How to edit a comment on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your Insta, of course, and then just go to the comment that you want to edit. So I'll just head over to a friend's account here, and I'll just comment something on his post. So I'll just say, I'll just give him some emojis and then send it. Now if I want to just edit it, all I have to do is long press on that option, or I can simply tap on it. Now you'll notice that even if I do stuff like that, I cannot actually edit the very comment. So what I can do here is I can simply delete this and then comment again. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. There is no direct option to edit your Insta story, I mean Insta comment, but it's really easy to simply delete it and then repost it. And that is how you can edit a comment on Insta. Thanks for watching, guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.